Hey peeps, so today I'm here to share with you guys my installation and style process of my new super cute curly bob style. To achieve this look, I'm working with a lace unit from MyFirstWig, and they really focus on beginner friendly wigs. So this one, as you can see, the hairline is pre-plucked and ready to go. Sometimes I position the wig on my own head first and then trim to fit my forehead, but for me, I found that it never made a difference since all the wigs I get never come down low enough on the sides to cover my real edges. So right here, I'm just keeping it simple and following the hairline on the wig. After the lace is off, it's pretty much ready to apply. To help keep it in place, it does come with a comb in the back and an adjustable elastic strap and one comb on each side. However, I never use the two side combs. When I apply my wigs, they feel secure enough without sticking those in, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the side combs out. But you can definitely keep them in if you want to use them, I just don't. Alright, of course, to get the style laid, I gotta have my own hair flat. Now I'm taking my adhesive of choice, got to be ultra glued, and applying a thin layer right on my hairline and a little bit in front of it, but mostly on my hairline because, like I said, my real edges on the side come down further than the wig does. Now just gotta pop on the unit, which is the 14-inch Melissa wig, and get it on in the right position. And the way I do it is the very middle of the wig, like where the hairline of the wig meets the center of my face, I apply that right in front of my natural hairline. And then for the rest of the perimeter, I pretty much just let the chips fall where they may. Then I take a comb and press down on the lace to get it super flat and flush with my scalp. Then tie it down with a scarf to set it for about 15 minutes. The residual gel gets removed with a makeup wipe, and with the front in place, I can now put in that back comb and my wig is all secure. I'm going to fluff it out so I can see what the shape is looking like. And I wanted this to be more heart-shaped and face framing, so I'm going in with some scissors to get the shape. I kind of wanted that full at the top and tapered in at the bottom look. Once the shape is squared away, I'm dabbing concealer in the part so it would better match my skin tone and look more realistic, and buff it out so it doesn't look so harsh. And for the edges, you can leave them as is if you don't want any frills, but I'm going to take a tiny bit more of the ultra glue gel on my edge brush and shape the hairs right at the edge of the wig to create more of a distinction, so you can see the little peaks of scalp between the edges and the rest of the hair, like, you know, on an actual head. And notice I'm not cutting any of the hair, so if you're a lace beginner and you don't want to risk messing up your wig by cutting baby hairs into it, you can simply shape them like this without doing any cutting at all. And on the sides, I'm brushing the wig hair and my edges together so it all looks harmonious. Now to get this style going is super easy. All I had to do was spray the hair with water, and this hair right here is the natural curl pattern. No product was previously applied to it. Then to set the curls, I'm taking some mousse and raking it through, and then I'm scrunching it up to clump the curls and get a lot of volume going. And the only thing else I did was I went back in with a clean brush and I buffed out the concealer in the part some more, and that's how I achieved this look. So y'all know how I do. Hair info and the link to this short, curly MyFirstWig unit will be right down below. I hope you all enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I'll catch up with you soon on my next one. Bye!